Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious paprika chicken with roasted potatoes. So I will start by blending my spices together. In this bag I'll add 4 tablespoons of smoked paprika. In goes 3 tablespoons of garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of ground black pepper, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and a big pinch of chili powder. I'll leave the full list of spices and amounts I've used in the description box. And I'll just give that a good mix together. Now that I've mixed all the spices together, in a bowl I'll put 3 generous tablespoons of mayonnaise. And I'll heap 3 tablespoons of the seasoning, and I'll store the rest for another time. I'll give that a good stir and add a little bit of salt. I'll just set the marinade to one side for a minute. I have 4 skinless chicken thighs, and I'll just lightly score each one 3 or 4 times with a sharp knife. I'm not going in too deep, and I'll just trim off any excess fat. So I'll add all the chicken thighs to the marinade, and I've added a splash of lemon juice, and I'll make sure that all the pieces are coated properly. And I'll leave them to infuse for about an hour. While the chicken's rested, I've just peeled some potatoes, and I'll chop them into even sized cubes. I've also peeled a couple of carrots, and I'll just chop those into even sized cubes as well. I'm just adding a little salt to the pot, and at this point I've already preheated my oven to 177 Celsius, and I'm just going to cook the carrots and potatoes together for about 8 minutes. I'm just laying out the chicken on a baking tray, and after 8 minutes of cooking I've drained off the potatoes and carrots. So I'll give them a good stir. I want them all coated in oil. I haven't overcooked them so they're not breaking up. And then I just load them onto the baking tray. I'll just pop it into the oven to cook for about 45 minutes, checking every 15 minutes in between time. And after 45 minutes of cooking, the chicken is cooked right through. Juices are running clear. Mine took 45 minutes, but it does depend on the size of the chicken. The potatoes are soft and fluffy on the inside and crispy on the outside, and taken on the delicious spice of the paprika. So there it is, delicious and packed with flavour paprika chicken. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next one.